Hi everyone, back with another keto recipe. We've got a double cheddar cheese hamburger helper, 4 servings. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, a jar of the double cheddar cheese ragu sauce, 2 bags of the shiritalki fettuccine noodles, pink salt, pepper, and oregano. You'll need a 1 cupper, a fry pan with spatula and cover, and a strainer. Let's start by cooking up our ground beef on the stove, breaking it up into bite-sized pieces, and turn this on a heat a little higher than medium. Add over the top of it heavily pink salt, oregano, and pepper. Give it a good stir, and then cover and let cook. Then let's rinse our noodles under cold water, and you want to do this for about 3 minutes. Some people complain they don't like the smell or taste, but if you wash these really good, and you'll see a video here, they definitely taste a lot better. You just got to get that smell off of them and keep rinsing them under that cold water. And then you want to take a kitchen scissors and cut them up because they're pretty long, the noodles. So cut it up into bite-sized pieces. You'll see a little video here of me doing that. And then it's ready to go. Once your hamburger is cooked up, you want to strain it and then put it back onto the stove. And let's add our ingredients. You're going to add over the 2 packs of the fettuccine noodles, 1 cup of the ragu sauce, more pink salt, pepper, and oregano, and then give this recipe a good stir. Cover it, and you want to turn it on a simmer and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then it's ready to serve up. I added over some Parmesan, and it was really good that way. That's optional. But yes, definitely try this recipe out. The whole recipe was only 16 net carbs, so each serving is only 4 net carbs. And it was delicious. My husband loved it, and this would be great even for the kids. What kid doesn't love a hamburger helper? So definitely make this, and always remember to keep it keto.